Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm in my backyard because I'm about to get my fire started because the time has finally come to burn the Xbox. It's been a long time coming. I was supposed to make this video like 3 or 4 weeks ago, but due to circumstances and the weather especially, haven't got a chance, so let me not waste any time. Let's get the fire started and get to it. So the fire is started. Let the Xbox cook. Xbox barbecue. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Let's get a little information. Okay, I believe the time has come to put it out. Toasty. Woo! Alright, let me go get some something to move it around so you guys can see it. Right now it's too much smoke. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's mostly metal, so woo! Toasty. Look what came out. Yeah, the Xbox is mostly metal. It makes you wonder why these things went bad so quickly. You know, with the red light of death, they're so sturdy. Oh, that's what's left. That was kind of fun to watch. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found it entertaining. That's basically what these videos are basically about. It's kind of sadistic and entertaining. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.